Are you wondering what to do if this alarm clock actually turns itself off? So you see it actually turns the screen off itself after some time, and it only like responds to the motion. So either if you come close to it or also maybe bang it somewhere. So the thing is, there's actually no way how to turn off this stupid feature, and there's no way how to enable the always on display if you actually run it from the batteries. So again, I think it's absolutely stupid design on this device. So if you actually want the display to stay on, you actually have to plug in a power. So that is the only way. So if we plugged in a power, the display actually will keep on essentially. So I suppose maybe the large display actually is consuming quite a lot of battery, and maybe from the internal batteries it would actually run out fairly fast, so probably is that why. But again, obviously it's running in the background. I really wish they simply allowed us to maybe like decrease the brightness of the screen and still allowed us to like run it basically with always on display even if we don't plug it in. So if you're wondering how to get it to stay on, so you really have to plug it in power, and that's the only way. So good luck.